Before sensors are buried in the ground, they must be paired or recognized by the base station and assigned to the irrigation zone they will control. Each sensor has a unique network ID called a network address, NWA for short. This is an 8-digit code of numbers and letters that the sensor sends each time it transmits moisture data. No two sensors have the same NWA. This NWA is printed on a label on the sensor tine sleeve that protects the tine or sensing element of the sensor. The NWA is also printed on the label on the bottom of the sensor. Removing the tine sleeve turns the sensor on. Replacing the sleeve turns the sensor off. Every time the sensor is turned off and back on, it goes into rapid broadcast mode. During rapid broadcast mode, the sensor transmits 3 to 5 data packets, including its NWA, to the base station within a 5-second span of time. After this initial 5 seconds of transmission, the sensor stops communicating until it is buried. Once the sensor is buried, it will continue to transmit a packet every minute for the remainder of 100 minutes since the tine sleeve was removed. This rapid broadcast mode of operation is designed to facilitate installation. Pick up the sensor to be paired and note the NWA. Rotate the wheel until the Manage Sensor screen is displayed. Press the Select button. The A in the upper left corner will be highlighted and Add will be displayed in the middle of the screen. Press Select again and you will be given the option of 2 ways to pair a sensor: Choose Sensor or Manual Entry. Let's start with Choose Sensor. Press Select when Choose Sensor is highlighted. Remove the tine sleeve and in a few seconds the NWA should appear on the screen. When it does, press Select and the cursor will move to the zone assignment line. The second position is Zone 1, signified by a Z1 directly above it, then 2, and so on up to 6. Rotate the wheel to the desired zone and press Select. Rotate the wheel until that zone number appears in the box and press Select. At this point, you may assign the sensor to more than one zone or rotate the scroll wheel to highlight the S to save the assignment. You must always save an assignment. After saving, it is recommended that you replace the tine sleeve on the sensor and write the zone number on the tine label and the bottom label in indelible ink. After saving the assignment, the Manage Sensor screen will return and you can assign more sensors by once again highlighting the A and pressing Select. Or you can exit by highlighting the X on the right side of the screen and pressing Select. There are times when it is more convenient to enter the NWA into the base station manually. To do this, navigate to the Manage Sensor screen, press Select to activate the screen, and then choose A to add. This time, highlight Manual Entry and press Select. There will be 8 zeros where the NWA should be, and the first 0 will be highlighted. To change any of the zeros to the correct number or letter value of the NWA you are entering, simply highlight that digit and press Select. Scroll up to choose numbers or scroll down to choose letters. Press Select to save the entry. Then navigate to the next position and repeat for the other digits. When all the values have been changed to correspond with the desired NWA, assign the sensor to the appropriate zone and save the assignment. The system also supports the concept of a common sensor, which is designed to ensure the system operates properly even when the wireless signal from a sensor is lost. This can be due to a dead battery, temporary interference, or reduced range due to heavy rainfall. With a common sensor assigned, the system will use the data from the common sensor in the system as a failsafe until connectivity to the lost sensor is regained. As long as the primary sensor for a zone can be heard, the common sensor's data is ignored. Only one sensor can be assigned as a common sensor at a time. Choose the sensor that is nearest to the base station, has a strong signal, and is located in a zone that is drier than average. When pairing this sensor or selecting another already paired sensor to act as a common, Use the zone position on the far left and rotate the wheel to display C for comment. Assign the zone and save. Assigning another sensor as the common replaces the old common assignment.